Wednesday on the new season of The Real World. One bird flies out, one bird flies in. A roommate goes home for good.
This is the stupidest plan ever. You'll never get to do this again.
And Hurricane Naya approaches.
Our new roommate is on the phone. This is Naya. I'm going to be your new roommate.
It sounded like she was faking a voice.
I am a great liar.
I love a huge and food.
Just hope she's a normal cat and not a psycho. Shut the hell up.
The Real World Portland. All new Wednesday at 10.
Where's our rat?
Sleeping.
Sleeping.
So I need your opinion, and let me explain it to you first before you're like, meh. But you know, yeah, you know how I have to move again, and I've been kind of overwhelmed. I know that at school you can take like leaves, and it doesn't count against you. And the only thing it does is move your graduation date. You know, and I think until I find a place and get moved and settled in.